Parker and Bennett is marketed as an online store offering stylish clothing and accessories at attractive prices. The website features polished product photos and frequent discounts. But the real question is, can you trust this store? Now, to be fair, many online retailers legitimately sell fashionable products at competitive prices. A lesser-known brand isn't automatically unreliable. What it does well: trendy product selection. The store offers a range of clothing and fashion accessories for different styles and occasions. Attractive pricing. Regular promotions and discounts can make many products appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart. Product quality may vary. The materials, stitching, and finish may not always match the expectations created by the product photos. Sizing can be inconsistent. As with many online fashion stores, sizing may differ between products, so checking the size guide is important. Shipping and returns deserve attention. Before placing an order, review the shipping times, return policy, and any return shipping costs. So, should you buy from Parker and Bennett? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the products and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounts when making your decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.